My name is John Kurt. I'm here to discuss you about the presentation which ma- which which mommy are successful in. And to earn millions of dollars, there are certain ground rules you need to follow. Everyone has this wonderful device known as mobile phone, which is now known as an external part of the body. People cannot stay without it. I request all to please kindly switch it off or keep it on silent mode. During the facts, during the course of the presentation, you will hear astounding figures. These figures are all facts, not opinion, based on facts based on what happened till yesterday, not opinion. All facts are completely verifiable. Initially, the statement of in the presentation may seem incoherent like pieces of jigsaw puzzle, but things will become clear as the presentation proceeds, just like a beautiful picture is formed when pieces of puzzle come together. You might have lots of questions popping in your mind. Please keep them to yourself till the end of the presentation, as the presentation is designed in such a manner that all your questions will be answered. However, if you still have lots of questions, you may ask the person who invited you here after the presentation. This presentation is for your benefit. We are not here to convince you. You have to convince yourself whether you want to get an opportunity to earn millions by bringing home wealth to technology. You will have to convince the person who invited you here. Minds are like parachutes. It works only when it's open. So, open your minds and listen to the presentation and enjoy the presentation. Dreams. What are dreams? Your dreams when you're young. You're dreaming about big house, big cars. But as we grow, the size of our dreams started condensing with our size of our pocket. Our incomes. The reality is this one. Why is it like that? It's according to our global financial expert, we are separated into 3 zones. First zone is negative zone. 97% are over here. Their income their expenses are high and their incomes are low. These are engineers, architects, employees, and anyone who works in business, in companies. Next zone is neutral zone. 2.9% are here, where their expenses and incomes are the same. These are children and beggars. Next is positive zone. 0.1% are over here. Their incomes are high and their expenses are low. They are movers, shakers of the world, and they're like Manny Pacquiao, Bill Gates, and all the successful people. But the sad reality is the positive zone is pushing the negative zone to work hard for their salary, so the positive zone to achieve their dreams. That's the sad reality. And we are here to help people go to the positive zone by bringing whole health and wealth to technology. What you are gonna witness in this presentation is the most powerful and the biggest industry in the planet. This is an healthcare industry. Around 1.9 trillion US dollar in annual turnover with an average of spend around minimum 1,000 US dollars per person annually. We have company profile, team effort network meaning 10. It is founded in 2002. Team Effort Network International LLC is a multinational privately held debt-free company with global office in Northern California, USA. The founders are Mel Gill and Amy Gill of Team Effort International. Next is Sarwan Gill, our Executive Director. The, what do you think are these? Do you think they are perfumes or something? They are sprays. I'm gonna tell you one by one the 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 ingredients of each sprays. First is Slim by 10. The ingredients of Slim by 10 are African mango, Cansania Cambodia, Carolama piviata, stevia leaves, green coffee extract, and green tea. Its benefits are burns unwanted fat, natural metabolic boosters, regulates thyroid production, improves memory, potent antioxidant, anti-cancer properties. It's also 8 sprays a day or 830 milligrams. This is our the Eagle's testimonial, RED Mirage. Last time he has 98 kilos. He used the Slim by 10 and it becomes 78 kilos. It's 20 kilos has lost weight. Next is B-Boost. Its ingredients are peppermint, stevia leaves, vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 and vitamin D3. It prevents anemia, fatigue, and depression. Its benefits are maintaining the nervous system, optimal energy metabolism, and DNA and RNA synthesis. And it's also 8 sprays a day or 830 milligrams. Next is B Power. Where do you get vitamin D from? Yes, it's from Sunshine Vitamins. Its ingredients are stevia leaves, vitamin D3, and vitamin E. It prevents type 1 and type 2 diabetes and hypertension and muscle weakness and cancer. Its benefits are improves bone health and controls blood pressures and increase immune systems and fat soluble. And it's 8 sprays a day or 500 milligrams. This is Mrs. Indukumar. Last time he has 9.6 milligrams. Then he used the D powers, and then it's a big change. She become 79.8 3 milligrams. Next is Super 10. It, in, it has the berry family's ingredient. Its ingredients are acai berry, macai berry, and goji berry. And then also green tea extract and stevia leaves and peppermint and also aloe vera. Its benefits are power bodybuilder, natural source of multivitamins and trace minerals, and also good for digestive system, dental health, immune support and function, healthy weight, increase in energy level, and liver healing. It is also 8 sprays a day or 830 milligrams. This is our testimonial. Amy, last time he has pimples, then he used the Super 10 and it's a big change. Why sprays? The advantage of sprays are no side effects, pure form, easy to carry and use, and good taste, and 90 to 100% absorption in 60 seconds. Then its disadvantages are big bottle, big size, big bottle, additional unwanted substance, and 20% absorption. The the products the product pricing of the 10 products are this. Diamond package is 400 US dollars or 150 and then 23 US dollars and 100 or 100 dirhams shipping and handling. You will get 20 sprays and also 135 US dollars or 500 dirhams monthly Diamond auto ship plus shipping and handling. You'll get 10 sprays per month or 70 US dollars or 250 dirhams monthly basic auto ship plus shipping and handling. You'll get 4 sprays every month. 300 dirhams per ID is applicable annually on the cost above cost towards Eagles Global loyalty card training and support. Direct selling versus the traditional marketing. We are in the direct selling. The traditional marketing model is this. First is manufacturing, international distributor, regional distributor, local distributor, retail outlet, and become the consumer. And the international distributors and regional distributors and local distributors and retail outlets are the advertising and marketing. And also 75% approx is of the end cost is eaten by the middleman. The direct selling model is manufacturing and the end consumer. There are 9 ways to profit. First is share and sample. And then you'll share and sample 10 products as a 10 distributor and earn the difference up to 40% between wholesale price and suggest selling price. Next is become a 10 team builder. Like this. You will get one on the left, one on the right. Approximately you'll get 50-50 US dollars equivalent into 100 US dollar. Next is team builder bonus. Help your team become a team builder. Your left and the right again invites two left and the right, and each you'll get 25, 25, 25, 25. Each again you'll get $100 US dollars. And executive bonus. There's also 100% executive bonus if there's also 100 US dollars executive bonus. Next is weekly team cycle bonus. 4:2 with 2:4 or 4:2 ratio, you earn up to 150 US dollars. Your tracking center will track all product sales in your team to infinite level. Also, you can earn up to 35,000 US dollars per week. Achieve your first cycle. Well, first, this one is the bonus. First is fast start bonus, and then team builder bonus, and executive bonus, and then the cycle bonus, and then your total bonuses are 450 US dollars. Your 2 directs must be always on auto ship to earn commissions. 10 monthly binary cycle bonus. If you are 3:6 or 6:3, you'll get 25 with $25 also. This is the 10 monthly binary cycle bonus part 2. If you have basic auto ship 1 point, and then diamond auto ship 2 points, or if 3:6 points, 1 cycle check, 25,000 25 US dollars. You also can earn to 150,000 US dollars per month from the 10 monthly binary. For every month on cycle check and binary, you can earn 25,000 US dollars. Let's see, if you have 1 cycle, your bonus monthly is 25 US dollars, and then the yearly total is 300 US dollars. If you have 10 cycle checks, you'll get 250 bonus monthly, and it's equivalent into 3,000 US dollars yearly total. If you have 100 cycle check, you'll get 2,500 bonuses monthly, and the yearly total is 30,000 US dollars. And then if you have 1,000 cycles, you'll get 25,000 US dollars per month, and it's equivalent into 300,000 US dollars. If you have 2,500 cycle checks, you'll get 62,000 US dollars bonus monthly, and the yearly total is 750 US dollars. If you have 50 cycle checks, you will get 125,000 US dollars monthly bonuses monthly, and the yearly total is 1,500,000 US dollars. If you have 6,000 cycle checks, you'll get 150 US dollars bonuses monthly, and the yearly total is 1,800,000 $800 US. Next, if you have 100 into 50 points consistently, you'll get 3 months to qualify Premier Car bonuses. It's also up to 600,000 per month that the company will pay. Next, if you have 200 is to 100 points consistently for 3 months to qualify, the Elite Car bonuses up to 1,200 per month. Next, there are 2 ways to enroll. Smart is purchasing the single package, and then the family is smart, or the smartest is purchasing 3 package. And if you the smart is you're gonna purchase single package, you'll just have once. If the family or the smartest is purchasing 3 package, it will be triple you'll get. Also, 300 dirhams is applicable per ID on the above cost towards Eagle's global training and support. Star levels. If you have 28 to 56, you'll become Elite Presidential Club. 1 star, you'll earn 2,000 US. Also, we already achieved the 1 stars. We already achieved the 1 star. These are the 1 stars. See, now I'm here. I'm wearing a hat with a pirate costume, and mommy is pregnant, and he's over here, and mom and daddy is wearing the white t-shirt. If you have 68 is to 134, you'll be called as a Elite Presidential Club 2 star. These are the 2 stars. If you have 140 is to 280, you'll be called as a Elite Presidential Club 5 star, and your earnings are 10,000 US dollars. These are our EDs. ED Siddharth and ED Ashwin. If you have 300 is to 334 is to 668, you'll be called as a Elite Presidential Club 10 stars, and your earnings are 25,000 US dollars. Our president has achieved the Elite Presidential Club 10 star. Also, the company will charge you 10% as gross product usage. Maximum earning. Only our president's words are, only having ambition is not enough. One must have the tenacity and determination to achieve it. The Crown Ambassador max out is this one. If you have 470 products referred in the single week and 940 products referred in the single week, your earnings cap only on the weekly binary, you'll get 50,000 per day and 35,000 US dollars per week and 1.83 million per year. Our president and vice president, as Mr. Girisha Malandan and Sheetal Nair, our founder and president, first lady, and vice president, MBT Eagles Worldwide. The power of duplications. If you have one, how many times hours or day or week you'll get 2 products repaired? Let's see one day. If you have 2 products repaired, and again the second day you'll get 4 products repaired, and the third day, fourth day, and again, so on and so forth. You'll go to the 12, and then you'll get 8, and you'll get 204,750 US dollars, equivalent into 752,456 US dollars. On the monthly binary income would be 227,550 US dollars. Also, as what Albert Einstein said, anything that works in the power of duplication is called the 8th wonder of the world. We are also risky. This is the first risk, the cost of delay. Let's see, you join the business 10 a.m. and then another one joins the business, and then his earnings, he is a rock star. His earnings are 30,000 US dollars, and also you'll earn. Then let's see, another one joins at 10:30 a.m. and then he's also a rock star, and its earnings are 20,000 US dollars, and you also get it, and your earnings are 50,000 US dollars, and then again, and your earnings are 50,000 US dollars, and then let's see, you said I'm gonna think about it again, and then the next day the B has joined the business 10 a.m. and you have joined the business 10:15 a.m. and then that's and also you cannot get the earnings of the C because it's your cross lines. And also there are 4 stages to be successful. First is join the business quickly, learn and learn, teach and train, and enjoy life. The enjoy life meaning, I'm not telling that you're gonna go to the bar or doing something. It means that you're gonna talk to the successful people, enjoying them. Also, if you join, connect after you join with Facebook Eagles Global, and then there are 2. First is www.eaglesglobals.com and www.teameffortnetwork.com. Why Team Effort Network International? Team Effort International. Our company is the first category company that distributes health products in the form of spray vitamins through a network, and being the first to have a dual core binary compensation plan. And it's also an excellent compensation plan. Our company has entered Asia Pacific through UAE in January 2009. In year 2013, 10 vitamin sprays were launched in UAE. There are 4 stages. First is norming, forming, storming, and stabilization. When you are in stabilization, you'll get millions. But when when you tell someone to join, they are already joined. They are already in that company. But we're still in the norming stage. We are legal. Our our Halai and Dubai municipality has has approved. Is approved. And we celebrate that October 30, 2002, the doors of the Team Effort International opened, and today we are celebrating 12 years of sharing an opportunity of changing people's lives across the globe. Paylution. This is your pay portal in Paylution. It is secured, easy to use online portal and quickly, efficiently transfer your commission into your bank account and instant email notification of payment to your pay portal and review payment history and download to Excel and then dedicate phone line and email customer service. Also, you can set up auto cash out and then save up to 3 bank accounts towards transfer. And also, it's quickly transfer funds to any bank in any country. And also, you can access your Team Effort Pay portal on your mobile smartphone through web browser and iPhone or app or Android app. Marathon. This is my last presentation, and let's talk about last time that negative 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 zone. 97% are doing the marathon of life, and there are negative zone. They are doing this. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. And again, in 40 years you of with an X amount of salary, you die broke. We are in our as we are doing the relay. We are doing this. Our founder president passed the baton to our vice president. Our vice president passed to our ED Sid and passed the baton to ED Ashwin and passed the baton to ED Niraj and then passed the baton to me, and then everyone has received 50 each, and also 25, and then also for again and again. Next, again, you wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Your son is working for 40 years, giving goods and service to people, doing the relay, and they die broke. Again, let's see. Your grandson has doing this. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Wake up in the morning, go to work, come back home. Again and again. For 40 years, giving goods and service to people, doing the relay, they broke, die.